I'd just like to thank everybody that comes in and supports this channel. You're all absolutely awesome, and I mean that. We have this quite often, and this is awesome. Believe you me, it's absolutely awesome starter. Nice warm weather. We don't want hot stews and curries and all that kind of stuff. This is the starter, and it's going to be awesome. So what you need for this is some nice smoked salmon, cucumber, kiwi fruit, avocado, cottage cheese, and some nice, awesome cherry tomatoes. If you're going to have cherry tomatoes, these are the ones you've got to have, the little small tiny ones. The sweetness is absolutely brilliant. It's the only tomatoes you should be eating with a salad or with this recipe. The big ones, they're watery and there's no taste to them. And you've got to put salt on tomatoes, but you don't need to put any salt on these because they're already sweet enough. So right, let's do the waffle. Let's get on with this because the wife's waiting for her starter. Let's get your smoked salmon. Look at that. That is awesome. Put it on and just put a nice little twist to it. Right, get your avocado and cut it central like so. And just run it round your knife like that. Twist, like so. Stone out. Then what you got to do, just run your knife round the edge like so. All we're doing is just loosening this so we can just squeeze it out. Just peel it back like that. Now how easy was that? Put that on like so. Then what you do, cucumber, and what you do, get yourself one of these peelers and just from the top to the bottom, then what we do, we're just going to have some ribbons of cucumber, like so. Don't worry, that's not going to be wasted because you can just chop that up later. It's got to be right, it's got to look right. Kiwi fruit, you've got to try it. It's absolutely awesome. Chop it up like that. Into small pieces like that. And all you do then is put the kiwi fruit in. Now, when you buy cottage cheese, you find it's got pineapple in. But instead of pineapple, let's try this. Just mix that in there like so. And what we do then, just pour it into the avocado. And then what you want to do then is put a nice sprig of cherry tomatoes like so. You get a bit of olive oil and just sprinkle it over like that. Then what we got to do is thinking coriander. Trust me, it's awesome. When you use a knife, always make sure you go away like that. Never like that. Always down on the knife. Now, I'm not saying you're stupid or anything, but you'll be surprised how many people go like that and then they wonder why they cut themselves. I've worked with people that do it. And all we got to do then smoked salmon, cucumber ribbons with avocado, cottage cheese with some kiwi in, and some awesome cherry tomatoes. And I've just sprinkled that with a bit of coriander. Now, I know most people have dill. I'm not happy about that bit there because that's spilled over, but that's what we've done tonight. And when we finish the live stream, that's what I'm going to have with some nice crusty bread. Is that awesome?